Here's my mess. Sawmill. So here's what I want to do. I'm not very good at this. An adjustment here where this all comes together. Obviously these things, this is the plate that goes on the end here. This is the plate that goes inside here, so I can tension the thing. Yeah. So then this goes here. Let me back up. This is my first video ever. So you can adjust the tension that way. Now, as for alignment, I'm going to put the tab here with the screw and lock nuts, and then one here. This is obviously the left side. Let me show you this. Here's a wheel. That kind of gig. Left side, you know, the blade is here. Anyways, I'm clearly horrible at this. That's what I got so far. Oh no, there's more though. This is my slider, you know, vertical. And I'm just gonna weld it here. And so this thing will stop, and the blade should be nice and loose at that point. But I can crank it once I get the guts and all this stuff. I'll have this all thread extended further beyond the wheel, of course, so I can crank it. And it should just be, I'm gonna try and go for just the one bar doing the whole saw head. Now, I don't know if that's gonna be weak, but I'm gonna give it a whirl. Stand by.